In this video, I'll show you guys how to draw the tiny homes floor in Onshape. So you'll go in your Onshape account, create a new document, and you can just call it tiny home floor or tiny home, just whatever. And then you okay that, and remember to have your measurements in millimeters and not in inches. I showed you in the previous video how to do that by clicking here on your account. So now, because we're drawing the floor of the tiny home, you can, if you want to, delete these planes, and we're going to use the top plane. So if you go to sketch, you're going to choose the top plane. Then I'm going to choose the rectangle tool, and then I'm going to put that down there. Now I'm going to make it 2.5 meters wide, so it's 2,500. Enter that, and I'm going to make it 10 meters long, so that's 10,000. We'll always work in millimeters. And then there's my little floor of my tiny home, and the measurements are right as well. So then I can just give it the green tick. I'm using my scroller to move it around like this, the little round button on the mouse or round wheel on the mouse. Now this floor is still flat, so I need to give it thickness. So what I'll do is I'll take on the extruded boss base feature, and then you can just click on that, and then let's make it 100 mils thick. So that will be 100 mils, and then enter that. So now I've got a floor for my little tiny home, and I will give it a green tick. Now what you want to do is you want to draw your walls. So what I'll do is you click there and to go and sketch, and then you're going to draw your walls. So I'll draw my wall from there all the way to there. So it's 10,000 long, but I want to make my wall 100 thick, and enter that. And then I'll draw another wall on the other side. So I'll just go to sketch again, click on the top plane, use my little rectangle tool and go there, and then just up to there. So it's I need to make this 100 thick as well, so that's right there. I'll click there, and I'll go to my measurement tool, and then you click there and you click there, and then that measurement we want to change, so we'll make that 100 and then enter. So that's my two walls. Now I've got a little line there that I need to get rid of. So what I'll do is I'll just go to my snipping tool, which is look like scissors. So I'll just click on that, and then I'll go to sketch again and select the top plane again, and so I'll click on this icon there, and there's my trim icon. So I'll just trim between those 2 points. So and then I'll get rid of the line there. And then what you can do is just give it a green tick. Now what I want to do is I want to extrude my two walls up. The reason why I'm only starting with these two walls, then we can start putting stuff in there. So I'll go to extrude, and you can make it, let's make it 3.5 meters high, or let's make it 3.7 meters, so 3,700. And then we'll click on what we want to extrude, that one and this one, and I'll control Z. I'll just do each wall separately. Sometimes you pick, I chose the whole bottom instead of just the wall. So I'll go back to extrude and just click on, see what orange that will extrude. So 3,700 meters for that. And then I'll just show you how to cut a hole in if you want to put a window in. So 3,700, and then give that a green tick. So I've got two walls for my tiny home there. If I click on my right click of my mouse, I can pan it around. So say I decided each design will be different, but say you've got a window that you want to put in there, I'll just quickly show you how to put a window in. So we're going to sketch on that plane, then you're going to choose your rectangle for your window, draw your window in, put the measurements in that you want to put in, enter maybe by 1.5, enter, and then I've got that drawn there. So now I want to get rid of the window or cut it out. So what you can do is, see here when you go to extrude, you just go to remove. So that will mean I want to take that out. So extrude, remove, and it's only 25 mils, so I want to cut it through the wall, so I'll go 100 mils. I didn't put the right measurement in there, so then I'll click on that, and now I've got a window cut through my little wall there as well. So that's all just a starting point for the tiny home. This program is compatible with our SolidWorks at school, so when we do all the drawings in here, we can just open it in there. Thanks for watching.